Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Sawir Mahdi, and in this video what we are going to learn, you know that in my previous video what I told there, don't you know, I told and I did their arithmetic sequence, and I told that in the next video there will be about geometric series. So that's why this video will be geometric series. Okay, so let's get started. So now we can see on the board, I wrote here a problem, and of course one thing that is, in my previous video I told about that, or I explained about the arithmetic series and mainly series. Okay, what are those and how many types of series, and many types of things I discussed about, I explained about. So if you if you don't see that, so watch that first, then come back here. If you don't if you don't know about that, so most of the thing you won't learn from this video, because I won't explain everything like that. So anyway, let's solve this math first. And first of all, we will read the question first. What is the problem? Find the 10th term of the series. This is the series, and this is of course a geometric series, so let's verify what is this. So find the differences. Will we find the difference? No, we will find a ratio, because this is geometric series. And if you find the differences, so what will you get? 2 and then 4, not matched. So this is not a this is not a arithmetic series. This is an, let's verify, is it geometric or what? And here we can see the ratio. How will I find the ratio? Do you know? To find a ratio, you have to divide. Okay, like this. Okay, just like if you have a series like A, B, C, so the ratio will be like B divided by A, and then C divided by B. Don't write that A divided by B. Okay, so that will be a non-integer. Okay, and then also there will be very many problems, and this will be wrong even. Okay, so listen that last number divided by first number. So here this is the last number and this is the first number, and then B by A. So anyway, in the same way, we will solve for this. So what will be? The first will be 4, then 2. So 4 divided by 2, what is that? That is 2. And then again 8 divided by 4, that will be again 2. And then 16 by 8, the same thing, 2. So verified that this is a geometric series. Okay, so do you know the formula of that? How to solve? Okay, let's write the formula first. We have to know a formula to find the 10th term. Okay, so the formula is, do you know? If you know, so write that in the comment first, then come back here. That is A into R. A into R, then n to the power n R to the power n minus 1. So this is the formula. If you set the value, so you will get the answer. So first of all, I write here, what are these? What is A? I told about this. This is the first term. That means 2. 2 is our first term. And then we have R. And R is our new thing, of course. And R means ratios. What are the ratios? What we got here? We got here 2. So that means 2 will be our ratio. And then what we have? N. And N means this is our N. Okay, this is our N. So that means that is 10. N equals to 10. And you know that in my previous video I wrote here 100, and that's for arithmetic series, that's why that is okay. But if you set here 100 terms, can you imagine in this sequence, if you write here 100 terms, then I'm saying you in this some times later what will be that. So anyway, just put the value 2 into r is our 2, n is 1, 10, sorry, 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1, what will be that? 10 minus 1 is 9. 2 into 2, then 9. Now, if I am saying if n equals to 100, so this is gonna be 2 to the power 99, and then also multiplied by 2, that means 2 to the power 100. So can you imagine about 2 to the power 100? I think that will be over million, trillion, many words, even can be like over a decillion. Actually, this will be a very large value, and even that you can't calculate that even. And I think calculator will be pained to solve this. Anyway, so that's why this is almost impossible to find. Of course possible, but how will you write without in the exam? Because you won't get any types of calculator there. Anyway, just ignore that and keep the value n equals to 10. Okay, then if we calculate this, so you will get, what you will get, 1024. And 1024, that means 1024 is our required answer. That means this will be our, this 1024 will be our 10th term of our series. Can you imagine? 1024 is our 10th term. So it will multiply by 2 again. Immediately it will multiply by 90 times. Then it will get to then it will get 100 terms. So just ignore that from your mind and don't go to calculate what will be to the right. I think as far as I know, there can become 31 digit. There will become 31 digit. You can verify if this match. So of course, write that in the comment that I was success to do. Anyway, this is our required answer, which we this means this will be 100 term. I'm sorry, again I'm saying 100. What am I doing? That means this is our 10th term of our series. So you write here, this is the answer. So we are successful to solve this very easy math. Of course, this is just a basic. If you don't know about series, so this is for you, okay? Or you are just starting about this. So anyway, I think you all enjoyed this class, and this was a very fun about maybe 100. Anyway, if you want to try to find what will be the value of 100, so of course find that and then write that in the comment box. Of course, I'm waiting to see you about what is the result when n will be 100. So don't miss this, of course. And that is that's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.